for unity. The disciples complained to Jesus that someone was casting out demons in his name and that they tried to stop him because they were not his disciples. Jesus responded to them saying that not to stop him because the one who is not against them is for them. It is not necessary that friends pertain to our inner circle only. Some admirers are not explicit, but they are silent followers. The one who does not speak or go against Jesus is definitely for Jesus. Do not conclude that Christians are alone believers and followers of the Lord. There are so many people who are not Christians, yet live a Christ-in life. Let us strive for unity in the Lord. Never judge or underestimate anyone. May our mind and heart resonate with the prayer, Lord Jesus, help us to be instruments of unity.